diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, guys, Biden administration prepares to release a government-wide crypto strategy. Now, let's hope that this is good news. So the Biden administration is reportedly drafting a government-wide cryptocurrency strategy as an executive order. The direct is expected to be presented to President Joe Biden in the coming weeks. The strategy could be released as soon as next month. Now, the US government-wide crypto strategy will be released as an initial government-wide digital assets, including cryptocurrencies. The strategy is being drafted as we speak, and Bloomberg reported this last Friday, citing that people familiar with the matter who revealed that a senior administration official have held meetings on the plan. The finalized executive order is expected to be on President Joe Biden's desk in the coming weeks. Now, the publication conveyed that adding that to the strategy could be released as soon as next month. The directive will detail economic, regulatory, national security challenges posed by cryptocurrencies, and it will direct various federal agencies to weigh in on the assessment of the crypto risks and opportunities. Now, they will be asked to submit reports on their findings in the second half of 2022. For example, Financial Stability Oversight Council, the FSOC, will evaluate the possible systemic impact of digital asset. Another report will determine the illicit use of cryptocurrencies. The Biden administration is also expected to weigh in on prospect of the Fed issuing central bank currencies, the CBDC, on Thursday. The Federal Reserve issued a long-awaited report on CBDC to open a public comment period until May 20. Some people have voiced concerns over US is falling behind other countries, particularly China, in its development of central bank digital currency. However, the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell has insisted that the US is not falling behind, and the US dollar status as the world reserve currency is not at risk. So, crazy times. Let's see in the next coming weeks. UBS warns of crypto winter amid expectation of the Fed rate hikes and regulation. Now, the UBS, Switzerland's largest bank, has warned of crypto winter, where prices crash and may not recover for years. Bank analysts explain several major reasons affecting the prices of cryptocurrencies. Right, Switzerland's largest bank has warned of crypto winter. First, analysts detailed that the Federal Reserve's interest rates will hike, set to reduce the appeal of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin for many investors who see asset class as a good alternative store of value. Fed is also expected to raise several times this year, interest 4 times a year or this year. UBS also analysts have claimed that some investors have increasingly realized that Bitcoin is not better money because of high volatility. Another major hurdle for cryptocurrency is regulation, and UBS describes a widespread speculation, invites closer oversight to guard consumers, protect financial stability, and they elaborated high flyer stable coins and DeFi, decentralized finance project, seem to sure face bigger setbacks from authorities in the coming months. Now, in the US, Biden administration reported drafting government-wide strategy, as showed in the previous article, and the SEC, Gary Gensler, said last week that regulating crypto exchanges is top priority for the SEC. So looks like they will go after the exchanges. DeFi, of course, may be a bit of a challenge, but again, the question is how do you get the money out from DeFi? You might have to go back to CeFi, and in order to get connected to the bank. Anything outside of that will be considered as illegal, right? Maybe known as money laundering. So let's see what's the fate of the regulations and how this technology will sustain. And guys, we had this many times before. We have spoken about this. While all this seems to be FUD in the market, we shouldn't dismiss the fact that they can really, government could really put in policies that can impede the growth of the technology. But however, here at Root Zones, we make money when the market is down. or through dollar cost average, because we believe in certain projects and technologies that we've been sharing over the last 500 over videos, and yeah, and we start to take profits when the market rallies again, right? So we've seen this is not the first time for such news, right? We'll go through the fear of missing out as well as the fear of if you are buying at the top and the market has crashed. So hang in there. We're all in the same community, one family, right? Huobi launches 100 million Lunar New Year campaign to support metaverse development. Huobi Global, one of the world's leading digital asset exchanges, today announced the official launch of its New Year campaign, Prime Fest, the Tiger Year. So we are moving into the usher into the Tiger Year. It's a festival year, especially here in Singapore. That is one of festival holidays, right? So February 14, 2022, this campaign encouraged users to explore future possibilities in the metaverse. An expansive network of virtual worlds may incorporate augmented reality, virtual reality, 3D holographic avatars, videos, other means of communication in the future. And to promote the development of this metaverse, Huobi is doling off out about 100 US million in prizes and rewards, including assets of the new metaverse token listing under Prime List. Oh, what is this? A high yield asset management product under Prime Earn. So we gotta most likely check that out. I'm not too sure whether we still have access. So year based in Singapore, I think Huobi Global as well as Binance was declined, licensing under the Singapore law. So for those who are able to access this, do check it out. Let us know in the Telegram group and the comment section below how it is, right? So Huobi will also invite participants to register their decentralized identifiers. So now there's this called DID. Previously we know as KYC. Now for on the DeFi, decentralized identifiers or personalized virtual identities in the metaverse. These users will be eligible to win a unique Tiger Team NFT avatars. So the DID are designed to be users' entry point into the metaverse, providing them with access between the Web 2 and Web 3. DID are widely considered a prerequisite for anyone looking to enter the metaverse, not only granting user access, but also recording and verifying all information and activity on the blockchain. DID offers user security, ownership, and interoperability. So Huobi's NFT platform launched its own DID at the end of 2021 to give select users access to exclusive NFT releases, airdrops, and other special benefits. Their emphasis on the metaverse reflects their intention to provide more fun and unique crypto experience. The Huobi co-founder Tu Jun and we are not just another spot trading exchange. We pride ourselves on diverse set of products and services, and the promotions we run are designed to gamify the trading experience to make it more fun. Huobi has been supporting GameFi and metaverse projects through investments and token listing. In September 2021, Huobi launched a $10 million fund to invest in emerging GameFi project. The fund has invested in Zuki MOBA, a Vietnam-based community-oriented MOBA esport game or multiplayer online battle arena, and Project Seed, a GameFi project utilizing the play-to-earn model. Over the last year, Huobi listed tokens such as Decentralized or DIO, a multiplayer online role-playing game in cyberpunk metaverse, and IRTA, a game that enables players to explore and investigate a virtual world by specializing and increasing the strength of their respective NFTs and countries. So you can learn more by clicking here. And that's all I have in the news today for TGIF, guys. Yeah, thanks Manish for sharing that. So of course, we are still seeing rate across the board. Of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum are all trading about between 3 to 5%, depending on the day that you actually see at the time of this video recording. So cryptocurrency, of course, we have 17,000 cryptos, 400 over exchanges. The market cap is at 1.6 trillion. We are still 400 billion short of actually going back to 2 trillion, and hopefully going back when Bitcoin was at the height of $3 trillion, right? So dominance, of course, 41% and 17% are taken by Bitcoin and Ethereum separately. So three trending coins: Bitcoin, Shiba, and Sheepdog. So Bitcoin, of course, is in the last 24 hours is down by 3.52, Ethereum down by 5.55, BNB down by 5.16, Cardano down by 4.57, Solana down by 6.72, XRP down by 3.53, Terra Luna down by 6.52, and Doge in 10th place down by 4%. So you can see over at the Bitcoin side of things, we are still channeling, guys. Support level at 35,000. This will continue. Yeah, so do dollar cost average. Again, if you look at the price today, we still have one more block to drop, which is about 29,000, which is the next support level. Will it drop? Who knows? I don't know. We have to see what happens over the next 1 month. Especially, so we have Evergrande sometime in March. We have the new crypto strategy that will be launched by Biden administration, as well as the federal government plans to move forward in terms of interest rates. So with that, while I hand over back to Manish for the tweet of the day, do subscribe to our channel if you're new to this channel. Remember that this is more for educational purpose and not financial advice. We have 500 over videos on interviews, how-tos, crypto trends, tokenomics, NFT, and blockchain. And very active group in our Root Zones Telegram, so you can always reach out to us if you face any issues in the crypto space. Manish, take it away. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Take care. Bye.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it straight?